Good afternoon. Welcome to the 4 p.m. update for our winter storm. It is Friday, January 19th, 2024. We continue to observe moderate to heavy snowfall over southeastern Pennsylvania, central and southern New Jersey, down through Delaware and eastern portions of Maryland, especially around on the Delmarva Peninsula. For the most part, the bands of snow that have intensified this afternoon have produced nearly 50% or more of the snowfall with this event. From 6 a.m. to 12 p.m., we basically had about an inch to 2 inches throughout the region. Now we got these heavier bands. Many locations, including Freehold, has increased their snowfall totals anywhere from 1 to 3 inches in a very short period of time over the past 2 hours. That's roughly an inch per hour with the snowfall rates. So that is the verification of the heavy snowfall that we have been seeing. We've been seeing various observations throughout the region, visibility down below a half a mile, producing heavy snowfall in southern New Jersey, heavy snowfall in Atlantic City. Wildwood's around, it has about a mile and a quarter, so that's about moderate snowfall. Heavy snowfall in Dover, moderate to heavy snowfall in Willington, and also moderate snowfall in Belmar, New Jersey, as well, which is in Monmouth County. So when we take a look at the radar here, we continue to have very light snow here over the northern tier. Let's refresh this real fast. And again, very light snowfall over the New York City metro, northern tier. We'll continue on with this very light snowfall continuing through about 7 p.m. Very light flurries, essentially. So I'm not expecting much in the way of additional snowfall accumulation from what you have right now. And the reports generally are that the spotters with their whiteboards are picking up about an inch of snow, but on pavement, because it's snowing so lightly, any type of treated pavement is just remaining wet because the snow is falling so lightly. However, from Monmouth County through the Philadelphia metro, let's say from Monmouth to Trenton down to Philadelphia, cutting down through Delaware around Newcastle. And when I say Monmouth, central and southern, northern Monmouth, you missed out on that band, so probably about 1 to 2 inches of snow has fallen, probably another inch, pushing you to that 3 inch mark. So, with that 2 to 5 inch snowfall expectation, you're going to be around a 2 to 3 inch mark. But around Freehold, we can officially say the measurement just came in when I went out there to check, about 4 inches now and climbing. And again, most of the snowfall within the past 2 hours, we've seen a huge surge at in the 3 o'clock hour with a heavy burst of snow. Right now, we have steady, moderate snow that continues to produce anywhere between a half an inch to an inch of snow per hour. Same thing's being observed in Ocean County, Burlington, Atlantic, Cape May, all the way down to the tip of Cape May County and throughout Delaware. Now, this moderate band will continue for about another hour or so. And then we're going to see this collapse, much like what we're seeing here over the New York City metro and much of eastern Pennsylvania outside of the immediate Philadelphia area. Baltimore pretty much missed out on that significant snowfall, but definitely much of the Delmarva has not. With, I think, the heaviest snowfall is going to probably end up being around Kent, Delaware, Newcastle, Delaware, and those counties, possibly even Sussex as well. And don't be surprised if we get a 5 or 6 inch or snowfall amount around portions of southern New Jersey as well. Central New Jersey around Monmouth, probably around 4 inches, 4 or 5 inches around Ocean County. That's where it looks like we're going to be ending up, but we'll see how this plays out over the next couple of hours. As far as our snowfall, we'll start to see that collapse really taking shape from 4 to 6 p.m. from north to south over central New Jersey down towards southern New Jersey. And again, by 7 p.m., we're pretty much all done outside of a few pesky snow showers and flurries. We'll have one more update coming up the next hour, and then we'll call it a day as the snow shield will collapse during that time period. So we'll have that one final update, and then we're all set. But after this storm, use caution heading out because temperatures are going to be plummeting into the teens, and that's going to support icy conditions remaining in place. So if you have not treated your roadways, if you've not treated your sidewalks, I would suggest doing so because that is going to reduce your threat for ice, especially for tomorrow morning if you're heading on out. I'll see you in another hour. In the meantime, stay safe out there.